right, Jose, this is a good one. Let's talk about reporting and AI. As we know, with just a few lines of code in our application, if we go to, sorry, to our startup, with just a few lines of add Blazor reporting AI and the language and so on, you got this opportunity here to use the AI operations where you basically can select what is the text to process, the entire document, the page, the selection, and then you can say, okay, translate this to German, to English, to Russian, or just summarize it and so on. So most probably you guys have already seen this. Let's do Spanish. You will see here this report is a table of vehicle details, year of fabrication, year, plate, make, model, and so on. So this is the what it comes out of the box from the DevExpress side. So we went a little further and we added, we don't see the icon here, of course. I don't know why it's don't want to show, but we will fix that. But basically, if we click here, we have the DXI chat, and then we can start chat with the report. We can do the same thing about give me a summary of the report, but let's do something like give me the oldest car. Let's give it a second. The oldest car is the Ford Focus in 2003. Give me the plate of the, I'm going out of script, of the newest car. Let's see what it does.
Magic. That's what it will do.
You see, the plate number of the newest car is 64532. And if we cancel out of this, just you see the plate was 64532, the same plate that I was mentioning. The oldest car was the Ford Focus 2003. This is coming from our business object. Right here we have all the cars that we have, and this is just a regular report of those cars. So as you can see now, we are able to start chatting with our reports, with our data. And right, Hoche, the interesting thing is that we're using the same approach that we show in the meetup about the rack implementation. We export this report as a PDF, send it to the LLM, do the embedding, send that uh, the text that we're asking about that with the embeddings and let it do its magic. And if you see, we have really nice response with our report chatting application.
Beautiful.
I think that is beautiful. If you guys have not seen the rack part and so on, go back to our meetup. There is a really nice explanation there about how to do that part. But I think that now we're starting to integrate it in all the parts of our application. We're able to create business object. We're able to chat with our data. We're able to summarize, translate. The future is really brilliant. All right, guys.
Also, before we go, I guess there is one thing that is like really valuable to highlight, and is that XAF give us a lot of the business cases in a really easy way. Most of the time, most of the examples that you see online, there are console apps with pure text. But since XAF create the UI for us, we just need to create interaction. So it gives us a lot of the moving parts already. So we don't have to start from scratch. So we just need to think about the business case, which is the main goal of SAF, right? Like, don't think about
Exactly.
the common stuff. Do what it gives value actually. So just to summarize, like how SAF is useful in this case too.
I really like this example. I think this is one of the one that I like the most because a lot of time we need to take business decision based on reports, based on data, and now be able to start asking questions opens up a whole world of possibility. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Until next time, stuff
Sí.
out.